Hi, let me show you how to make such a beautiful transformation from black and white, almost drawn picture to fully colored one. We'll do it in 4 steps. First, we'll create black and white drawing from colored picture. I will show you how to do that in Photoshop. Second, we'll place both images to Webflow's CMS. Third, we will design the layout, and finally we'll animate hovering. It's not that difficult, despite such a hard words like CMS is. The first part is very easy. I made a short, fast video for you where you can learn how to transform colored picture into the black and white drawn one. So now we have all our images in 2 versions, colored and black and white. Let's place them into the Webflow's CMS. But first of all, let's create the website itself. We'll take just some template. This one might be a good fit. It's free. Just give it a name. So now we have our own website where we can do whatever we want. Here is our collection called projects. Let's modify it. One image is there. We just want to add another one, image field. And now we start to replace current images and enter our new ones. You see how they are appearing here. We've started from black and white pictures. But now I will recreate collection list in order to show you the whole process. We pick the source, our projects, and make it 3 columns. So now we need to place here just any picture right into the nest and pick the source. Alright, let's place the limit of the number of our images, assign the class, some margins to make it look more fancy. Place to the nest another image and put as a source the colored image. What do we have now? Now you see that we have one picture is above of its black and white sister, and that is not what we actually want to do. What I suggest in such cases is to make every nest as a grid. It allows you to place one photo over another. The only thing you need is assign the position of every photo manually. So now we are making animation triggers. The first step is make our colored picture opacity 0, and it will appear only when mouse will hover over it. So this interaction going to be like entry one. when mouse appears over the picture. We call it show colored image. Now let's create another interaction for the hover out. This is just a reversed sequence of steps. So one small step is remaining to fix the order of these pictures. And here we are. So if you have questions, I will try my best to answer. I wish you good luck with web creation.